Loaded. Transfer complete. Ready.
Is compressed in the low and high pressure compressors, and its temperature can reach 450 degrees Celsius, after which it enters the combustor, where fuel is injected and ignited. Burning the mixture of fuel and air brings the temperature up to 1700 degrees Celsius. Finally, the accumulated energy is extracted in the 5 turbine stages immediately after the combustion section. The pressure of the air drops as it passes through the turbines and makes them spin, and the turbines, whose shafts ride within one another concentrically, in turn drive the fan and the 2 compressors. The air is then expelled through the primary duct, joining the air from the fan stream. A turbofan is therefore a flow cycle engine. Air is compressed, then heated by burning fuel, after which it passes through the turbines, which drive the compressors and the fan.